Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Sunday, everybody. You guys know what that means. That means we have new coupons, new glitches all over the place. So in this video, it's going to be really short, sweet, and simple. I'm just going to do a real quick flip through of the inserts and show you guys the coupons that I received. And I also have a one-day only deal that you can do at Dollar General today only because we do have expiring coupons. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help my channel grow. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, I love hearing from you guys. So please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. All right, guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so here is our one day only deal. You can only do this deal today on Sunday. I already ran out to the store and tried it myself to make sure that it worked and everything went so smoothly. So what you want to do is pick up one of the Dove body washes for $6.50 and one of the Dove advanced deodorants for $5.35. Your subtotal will be $11.85. We have an instant savings of $2 when you spend $8 on Dove products this week. So that's going to come off first at the register. Then the coupons that you're going to use is that buy one Dove body wash and get the Dove deodorant for free and the one-off-one Dove body wash manufacturer coupon. So that will make your final price just $3.50 for two. Now that's an amazing deal considering we started off almost at $12. So you're getting $12 worth of products for just $3.50. Now, here are the screenshots for you guys. Here's the coupons that you're going to use. And then right down there at the bottom, it shows that instant savings of save $2 when you spend $8 on Dove products. Alright guys, so here are the inserts that I received. Today is July the 18th. We've got a save and a smart source. So we've got some pretty good coupons. We have 7 off 3 for the Old Spice or Gillette or Secret. It's probably, no, Old Spice and Gillette. You have 7 off 3 for the Olay. I'm just going to do a quick flip through. This video is getting out a little bit later than I would like, but I wanted to point out a couple of things. We do have a deal at DG for, I think it's spend 15 on all or Snuggle products, save 3. That'll be included in my Good Deals and Glitch List video, but we do have more all and Snuggle coupons. Here's 2 off for the Snuggle In-Wash Scent Booster, so that's really good. And I'm curious to see what all this coupon will work on. If that will work on the $2 dryer sheets, that would be amazing. So we've got some deals to try out. We've got Renews It. We have 3 off 1 for the Iams dog food. We have Dove buy one get one free on the Dove body wash. Now, I showed you guys that one day only deal that you could do that's all digital, but we do have new Dove coupons as well that we can work with that instant savings. So this is going to be some really good deals this week as well. We have buy one get one free on the hand wash and the hand sanitizer. There's the Motrin coupon. We have the Quilted Northern. We have Popsicles, Nexium, and add, let's see, Fancy Feast, 1 off 2. Then on the back here we've got some first aid, Neosporin, Band-Aid, Benadryl, stuff like that. 4 off 1 at Children's Zyrtec. So we're going to move on to the Smart Source. So we have Colgate coupons. Now sometimes, I have not been couponing at the Dollar Tree in a while, but sometimes these coupons will work on Dollar Tree products. If you coupon at the Dollar Tree, let me know down in the comment section, please. So we've got the Chex Mix, some snacks, 50 cents off 1. Palmolive, 50 cents off 1. Irish Spring and Soft Soap Body Wash, and then the Soft Soap Hand Soap. I'm curious to see if we have that Ibotta Rebate still. Let's see, Pine Salt and Clorox, BioTrue, Carousel. Come on, it's not going to work with me, is it? Alright, so here we just have the Dollar General ad, And like I said, I'm going to go over a lot of this stuff in the good deals and glitch list videos, so we're not going to spend too much time on that. You guys can look at the ad if you want to in your Dollar General app. There's that instant savings on Dove and Axe products. We've got Ocuvite, some more eye drops, Wet Ones products. Hand sanitizer is on sale everywhere right now. I have a Walgreens clearance video. I'm going to show you guys what all I found, and I found a lot of good prices. So here we have the Chic and the Skintimate coupons. These are really good coupons, high value coupons, and a lot of the times they match up with Ibotta rebates at Walmart or Target or wherever, so be on the lookout for that. And then on the very back here we have Lysol coupons. They are coming back, so that's a good sign, right? So we have the spray, we have the laundry sanitizer. A lot of these we received the same ones in digital form on our DG apps. Alright guys, so that's it for the inserts today. Like I said, this is just going to be a really quick short video. So that's what I received, and I will be coming up with some deals where we can use some of these coupons, especially the All or the Snuggle coupons. So that should be a really good week. We have a lot going on with DG. I know there's some really good deals at Walgreens as well, and we have glitches. So make sure that you stay tuned. I'm going to post this video first, and then we're going to go over our digital coupons in the second video that I will be posting today. So make sure that you check out both videos, and please give the video a thumbs up. It really does help me out. Now, before I end this video, I do want to mention that last week I posted a video with 11 freebies. This is a really quick video. I think it's 13 minutes, and you can do this all from home. All these freebies you can get from your house. You don't even have to leave until you want to go and pick up your Ibotta freebies, but on these stores that they're doing the freebies for, like Walmart, you can pretty much do an online pickup order, and you don't even have to get out of your car. So go and check out this video. I'm going to leave it linked in the pinned comment down below. We have a free picture book from Shutterfly. We have free cash coming to us from PayPal or a gift card, and we have Ibotta rebates for free back to school supplies and free snacks. So go and check out that video if you haven't already. Like I said, I'm going to leave it linked down in the pinned comment below. Alright guys, so that's it for me for now, but like I said, I will be uploading a second video today where we go over all of the new Dollar General digital coupons, and boy do we have a ton, an absolute ton of awesome deals going on at DG this week. I am very excited, so you don't want to miss out on that video. So before you go, please make sure that you are subscribed. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help my channel grow. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, I love hearing from you guys, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.